Students, today I am going to explain you chapter 8 percentage and its application. So our first number question it's given of exercise 8.1. Convert the following percentage into fractional form. How you have to convert? Now see. 3 into its question it's given 33 is to 1 by 3%. So what you have to do? You have to do like this. 3 into 33 you will get 99. 99 plus 1 you are getting 100 by 3. So convert into percentage you have to multiply with 1 by 100. So 100 cut you are getting 1 by 3. Second number question it is given 37 is to 1 by 2%. So multiply 2 into 37 you are getting 74. 74 plus 1 you are getting 75 by 2%. So you have to write 75 by 2 into 100. So reduce it with 5 table you have to write 20 here. Upside you have to write 15. Then again reduce it with the 5 table you are getting 4 down 3 up. So now you have to multiply 3 into 1 you are getting 3. 2 into 4 you are getting 8. Like this you have to solve question number 1. Now I am going to explain you question number 2. Question number 2 it's given convert the following fraction into percentage. First number question is given 5 by 8. So write there 5 by 8 multiply 100. Here percentage sign it's not given there, so don't write 1 by 100. You have to write multiply 100. Now you have to fraction it or you have to divide it. You have to use a table and after reducing you are getting 125 by 2. Or you have to write in the mixed fraction, you write here 62. You have to divide here. Whatever the answer it will come you have to write front, and whatever the remainder it will come you have to write up. Like this you have to do second number whole. Now question number 3. Question number 3 it's given convert the following percentage into decimal. What you have to do? You have to do by the same. You have to multiply 2 into 4 into 2 you are getting 8. 8 plus 1 you are getting 9 by 4. So write it. Have to write like this. 9 divided by 4 you are getting 2.25 by 100. Otherwise do like this. 9 by 4 into 1 by 100. Either you have to do like this, otherwise like this, and divide it you will get 0.025 answer. Question number 2 it's given 10 ratio 10 is to 1 by 2. So multiply 2 into 10 you are getting 20. 20 plus 1 21 by 2. Divide it you are getting 10.5. Here already multiply 1 by 100 is there. So do it and bring into the decimal form. So 10.5 divided by 100 you are getting 105 answer. Like this you have to solve 3 number. Now I am going to explain you question number 4. Question number 4 it's given convert the following fraction into decimal and then convert this decimal percentage. First number question it's given 1 by 8. So what you have to do? You have to first convert into decimal. So you have to divide it. You are getting 0.125. Then after that you have to convert into decimal percentage. So point remove it. You are getting 1000 down. Multiply 100. Your 00 cut. Reduce it. You are getting 12.5% answer. Now see second number question 7 by 9. 7 by 9 divide it. You are getting 0.4 times 7 you are getting. Remove it point you are getting 10,000. After that you have to multiply with 100 you are getting 77.77. Like this you have to solve 4 number. Now I am going to explain you question number 5. Question number 5 it's given convert the following ratio into percentage. First number question is given 2 ratio 3. So you have to write 2 by 3 into 100 you are getting 200 by 3. Divide it you are getting 66 ratio 2 by 3 percentage answer. Now second number 11 ratio 20. Write 11 by 20 into 100. Reduce it you are getting 55% answer. Like this you have to solve 5th number. Now I am going to explain you question number 6. 6th number question it's given convert the following percentage into ratio. Percentage in the form question it's given 2%. So you have to write 2 into 100. 2 by 100. So you have to write 2 by 100. Reduce it you are getting 1 by 50 answer. Now second number question 45%. So you have to write 45 by 100. You are getting 45 ratio 100. 45 by 100. So reduce it you are getting 9 ratio 20 answer. Like this you have to solve 6 number. Now I am going to explain you question number 7. 7 number question it's given what percentage is. First number question it's given rupees 10 of rupees 60. So how you have to write? You have to write in the ratio form. Write rupees 60 by rupees 10 by rupees 60. You have to write multiply 100 because you have to find in the percentage form. So divide it you are getting 50 by 3, or in the mixed fraction you have to write 16 is to 1 by 3% answer. Question number 2 you have to do the same. Question number 3, here it's given 20 minutes of 2 hours. So what you have to do, you have to convert 20 hours into minute. So you have to write 2 multiplied 60, you are getting 120. So 20 by 120 into 100, you are getting 50 by 3. So you have to write in the mixed fraction form, you have to write 16 is to 2 by 3% answer. Like this you have to solve 7 number. Now I am going to explain you question number 8. Question it is given 70%. 8 number question it is given 70% of what number is 84. So number is not given, so write it. Let the number required or number be x. Then write 70% of x equals to 84. So write 70 by 100 into x equals to 84. So reduce it, you are getting here 7 multiply x, you are getting 7x. Send this 10 this side. 84 into 10, 84 into 10, 840. 840 divided by 7, you are getting 120 answer. Like the same you have to do 8 second number. Now see 9 number first. Increase 80% by 30%. Increase 80 by 30%. So 80 is increased by 30%. So write there new quality. New quality is 1 plus 30 by 100 into 80. So what you have to do, you have to add with 100 plus 30, you are getting 130 by 100, multiply 80, reduce it 0 0, you are getting 30 into 8, 104 answer. Second number is given decreasing 240 by 17, ratio 1 by 2%. So write, since 240 is decreasing by 70 is to 1 by 2%. So 17 into 2, you are getting 34, 30 plus 1, 35 by 2. Write 1 minus 35 by 2 into 100 by multiply 240. You have to reduce it. 200 minus 35, you are getting 165 by 200 into 240. At last by reducing you are getting 190 answer. 198 answer. 10 number question. 10 number 8 is given. In an examination 35% student fail in science, 42% fail in the social study, and 329 fail in the both of the subjects. So what you have to find? You have to find the percentage of the total fail student. What you have to write? Here already 35% it's given fail in the science, so you have to write 35%. Fail in the social study 42%. So totally it will be there. So total student fail only in the science, it will be 35 minus 32, you are getting 3%. Now next, student fail only in the social study, it will be 42 minus 32%, you are getting 10% answer. Therefore, total percentage of student, those who are failed in all subject, it equals to 32% plus 3% plus 10%, you are getting 45% answer. Now second number question, percentage of the total passed student. So how much it's failed? 45. So you have to write 100 minus 45, you are getting 55 answer. Third number, total number of the students. If 165 passed in the both subject, what you have to write? Let the total students passed equals to x. So since 55% student passed in the both subject, so you have to write like this: 55% of x equals to 165. 55 by 100 into x equals to 165. You are getting 165 into 100 by 55. After reducing, you are getting 300%. Now 11 number question. Sita annually salary increased by 20%. It's increased every year if her salary was rupees 2000 2 years ago. Find her present. So what do you have to write? So what do you have to write? You have to write Sita annual salary increased by 20%. In 2 years its salary is 2000. So you have to write salary increased by in 1 year equals to 20 by 100 into 2000. You are getting 400 answer. Then salary increase in the second year, you have to write 200 by 400 into 2400. So you are getting 480. Therefore total present salary equals to 2000 plus 400 plus 480. You are getting 2880. Now 12 number question. The population of the town increased. Here also it's increased written by 5% every year. If the population is 94,500, now what is the population in the years ago? So you have to write like this. Right, population of the town is increased by 5%. So now population it has become 94,500. Then let the population in 1 year is equals to be x. So put it here like this. So you have to write 1 plus 5 by 100 x equals to 94,500. So multiply it, you are getting 105x by 100 equals to 94,500. Now bring the value x equals to this side. After reducing, you are getting 90,000 answer. Now 13 number question. Sonali did not go to the school for 60 working days as she was ill. So if her attendance was 75%, then what the working days, for how many days did the school works? So what you have to write? You have to write Sonali did not go to the school for 60 working days. So her percentage is 75%. So what we are writing, 100 minus 75, you are getting 25. So right here 25% of x equals to 60. 25 by 100, you are getting 25 by 100 into x, you are getting x by 4 equals to 60. Then x equals to 60 by 4, you are getting 60 into 4, you are getting 240 days. In my next video, I am going to explain you question number 14 to 24.